we're going to be doing a NUCCA adjustment on my son Bennett today, who is 10 years old. Just wanted to show you how gentle the procedure actually is. Right now I'm going to be doing a leg check, which we check the length of the legs to see if there is pressure being exerted on the brainstem. And we just took x-rays of Bennett, so we do know that there is a substantial misalignment in there. And it looks like his left leg is going to be short, about a half an inch. So we're going to have Bennett come up here on this headpiece, and we're going to set him up for an adjustment. You're going to be facing that way.
All right.
Okay, just rest your head down there. And it does take a little bit of time just to get set up for the treatment because it is so specific. Shoulder forward, bring the shoulder down just a little bit. There we go. And then we've determined an angle of correction on Bennett with his x-rays, so we will be adjusting along that angle. And right now we're just using that top bone of the spine as a lever to realign the head with the rest of the neck. And this will take the twisting out of the spine. Okay, so Bennett, I'm going to have you sit up for me. I'm going to have you stand. You can put the back of your legs right up against here. You're going to lay back down on your back. And right now we're going to recheck the length of the legs. Screw back. And if we see the change that we need to, those legs will come nice and even. And we do see them come nice and straight. So that is how we perform the NUCCA adjustment.